Hello, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and today I'm going to talk about TrafficMASTER Peel and Stick Vinyl Flooring. I highly recommend this to anyone that wants to upgrade the look of their garage. This stuff is awesome. If you watch some of my old videos, I talked about the TrafficMASTER. It's been in there for over 13 years in my other garage, and I've had no issues with it. It handles oil, antifreeze, anything your car puts out handles just fine on this, and you just wipe it right up. Again, if you get water on your floor, and that's how I usually clean the floor, I just bring in a water hose, spray it down, and then squeegee it right on out the door. And then come back in with a mop to dry it up. Again, never had any problems with this peeling up on me or looking bad. But if you ever did get a bad spot in your flooring, the nice thing about this is you can take a putty knife, stick it underneath the flooring, and then just peel up that one piece, slap down a new piece, you're good as gold. If you're doing laminate flooring, you're going to have an issue because, again, that's a tongue and groove system. You try to take out one piece just to fix that one piece, you're in trouble. And again, laminate flooring doesn't handle as well as this vinyl flooring, to me, in a wet area. Again, if you're doing your basement, I highly recommend this as well. I've done my sunroom, two garages at my other house, and I've just finished doing this garage in this gray ash flooring, and it looks amazing. Again, it handles water, oil. I don't know about acetones or anything like that, or harsher chemicals, but it handles most chemicals that usually happen in your garage. And I've drove over that flooring at the other garage for 13 years straight, every single day, sometimes 4 or 5 times a day, sometimes 6 times a day, and never had any issues. And again, once it gets a little dirty, spray it down with some water, squeeze it right out the garage doors, and you're done. I love this flooring. I do highly recommend it. So if you're looking for an alternative to update your garage or your basement flooring, I highly recommend this. You can go with the snap together grid systems and some of those rollout things, but again, for the price, this is going to be your money saver right here. Again, if you're going to put it down on your floor, make sure you prep your floor before you put it down. That means clean it. So some soap and water, some degreaser. Once that's dried out, come back in with a leaf blower or vacuum your shop vac, clean the floors. When I put this down, I keep the leaf blower right next to me, and that way I blow out that spot, peel it off, stick it, go to the next spot, blow down, make sure there's no dust or anything there, and again, I've had no issues with this sticking to my concrete floors. Yes, you can go to painting your floors and using the epoxy thing, but sometimes, if you watch some of the videos, the epoxy thing, do it yourself, doesn't look very good. And now you just wasted all that money on something that looks like poo. And this, you don't have to worry about it. This comes out looking fantastic. If you have a little bit of problem in some areas, so say the car leaked oil in a certain area for a while, again, get the chemicals that you need to degrease it, some muriatic acid to clean it, and just for that extra security at where the garage doors open and close, I went and took contact cement, put that down on the floor, and then stuck this down after that dried, and that bond is secure. I don't have to worry about water rolling up underneath it and peeling it up, which I don't have a problem with this. And the nice thing about it is that your jack fell on it and say it ripped a piece of this. Nice thing is, putty knife, stick it underneath that one piece, pull it up, slap down a new piece, and you're good as gold. Again, this is the TrafficMASTER Peel and Stick Vinyl Flooring. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.